What's up, everybody? Okay, I got it almost completely tore down. I'm going to show you what I got right now. Alright, so as you can see, it's upside down. I got both the heads off. The oil pump, the pulley, or the harmonic balancer, the camshaft, all the rollers. Now I'm going to tomorrow work on getting the end caps off and the connecting rod caps on each one. I'm putting it all in a spot to where it's not all going to get dirty. Hopefully I can find a place that will machine it for me, but here's kind of what it looks like all the way around. Don't mind the mess underneath. Everything's just kind of getting mixed together a little bit. So there's the truck in the background. But that's it for this one. I'll catch you next time.